Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I think I'm doing my favorite winter nail art that I have created, and I was so excited to share this one with you. So I hope you love it as much as I did, and if you're new, please subscribe and let's see how you can achieve these nails as well. You want to start off by having your bare nails, and then you want to apply just a base coat, which is basically clear coat of any nail polish. And then I'm taking this beautiful OPI nail polish that actually inspired me to create this whole look, and it's actually called Snowflakes in the Air, and it's so beautiful. It's full of these holographic flakies. I'm applying a few times, so I have so many glitters on my sponge, and then I'm just going to start by dabbing a first coat of my ombre, like a gradient creation of this hollow glitter. And first coat is supposed to be your base, so you can see that I went a little bit up to cuticle because I want this to have like it's falling from your cuticles. And then I'm starting with a second coat, and what I'm doing, I'm concentrating on the tip of my nail, so only the tip of my nail I want to be fully covered in this like diamond glittery hollow nail polish. So I actually applied 3 coats of this glitter, like stamping, like sponging on or dabbing on, however you want to say it. And here is how it looks. Oh my god, it looks like diamonds on your nails. It's so pretty, I can't. Then I'm taking this stamping plate and I'm taking a little snowflakes and I'm randomly placing them on my nails. And just you want to have fun with it, but you don't want to cover the whole nail. And once you're done with it, you want to apply a top coat of your choice because you want to seal this in and you want to melt it all together. And my favorite part is applying top coat because it makes the whole design come to life and it looks so magical. I mean, I can look at this for hours. It's so mesmerizing. It's beautiful. It's whole winter magic and I adore it. I really hope you guys love it as well. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this design. Is this your design? Is this design something that you would wear? Do you love it as much as I do? I'm literally so happy with this design. I have to say that it's my favorite one of all designs I have done so far, but I did cute designs, so I'm so happy that you guys are here with me and that you enjoy my content. That is something that is so important to me, and especially your words and your encouragement, as well your support and likes and everything. So please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also please leave me a comment. If you're new, please subscribe as well. You all know, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Until tomorrow, bye.